Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a video on how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive for installing the .ios image file for Windows 10. For this tutorial, I'll be using Windows 8.1 operating system, but this also works with Vista and Windows 7 as well. Okay, to start with, from the Windows 8.1 start screen, let's go ahead and open up an internet browser. I'm going to open IE, and just to switch things up, I'm going to open it up from the desktop. So I'm going to go down here and click on IE. You can open your favorite internet browser. I'm also going to open up my favorite search engine, Google, and I'm going to type in Windows USB tool. And once I find that, I'm going to click on it, and that brings up this listing. And the very first one says Windows USB/DVD download tool Microsoft Store. This is the one I suggest you click on, and I'm going to click on it. And that brings up the Microsoft Windows USB/DVD download tool page. And let's go ahead and scroll down here, and as you can see, it gives me the download link, and also further down it gives me the system requirements. And if we scroll down a little bit more, it gives me some detailed instructions on how to make a copy of the Windows .iso file. Now let's go back up here. Under system requirements, you don't see Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, but it does work, and this video shows you how. So I'm going to click on the download link here for the USB tool, and that takes me over to this website, or web page rather. And on the right hand side, I click on the download link here, and that will begin the download for the Windows USB download tool. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to go ahead and download it, but for you, I suggest you go ahead and click on save, and then click on run to install the tool. Alright, and also make a note, this is safe, even though it says that .exe might harm your file. It's a safe file. So I'm going to cancel, and I'm going to go ahead and close this out and move on. Now let me click on close all tabs here. Now once you've downloaded the Windows USB/DVD download tool, what you want to do is go ahead and click on the desktop icon that it creates, and once you do, it gives you the user account control prompt. And yes, I do want to authorize this program to make changes on my computer. And once that's done, it opens up the Windows 7 USB/DVD download tool, and step 1 of 4, choose an ISO file. Now I'm going to go out here and browse. I've already downloaded the Windows 10 Insider's Preview from the Microsoft site onto my computer prior to this tutorial, and I found it and I clicked it, and it's an ISO, and I'm going to click open. And now that I have the ISO in the path there, I can go ahead and click next and go to step 2, choose my media type. And for this video tutorial, I'm going to select USB device. You can also do DVD, but USB is faster, quicker, and easier to use. So once I select that, I come to step 3 of 4, insert USB device. I have already, prior to this demo, inserted my USB device, and it shows up here. Once you insert yours, if it doesn't show up, go ahead and click on this refresh button, and then you'll be able to see it. And once you do see it, you go ahead over here and click on begin copying, and that will prompt you to say, or it tells you, or ask you rather, do you really want to erase everything here? And I do. I want to go ahead and erase the USB drive. One thing to make note of here is that be sure that nothing on this USB drive is something that you want to keep. Also make sure it's large enough in size, and also you are willing to erase it and format it. And of course, it prompted me again, and I did say yes. So it has begun step 4 of 4, creating the bootable USB device. And through the magic of video editing, I've speeded things up, but it takes normally a few minutes depending on the speed and performance of your computer to complete, and you get this final prompt. At this point, your USB flash drive is bootable, and you can install Windows 10 on your computer with the USB flash drive. And once you install Windows 10, you'll have this operating system right here, and that's fun to use and very user friendly. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe and like my video.